In this video, we will learn about IKEA by conducting its case study with the help of SWOT analysis. First, let's discuss a bit about SWOT. SWOT is an acronym for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It is a tool that can help analyze what a company does best right now and devise a successful strategy for the future. Let's start with the strengths. IKEA has the most advanced customer strategy. You can say that this brand has the best knowledge about its customers. The brand offers low prices and a vast range of products. Designers constantly introduce new design products that look stylish in customers' eyes. IKEA is the most valuable furniture brand in the world, valued at around $18 billion in 2022. IKEA has opened 458 stores and has more than 750+ million customers. Worldwide market presence and strong brand reputation ensure that customers will often choose IKEA over its competitors. Low prices are the cornerstone of IKEA's business idea, and the company always tries to do things as efficient and cost-effective as possible. However, to drive costs down all the time, the company must find new and innovative ways to do that and incorporate them into its business model. IKEA has been criticized many times for issues like poor treatment of employees, questionable advertising practices, or influencing government authorities. Negative publicity decreases brand reputation and customer loyalty. Although IKEA is always looking to find new techniques to cut costs, it cannot find a balance between quality and prices. The firm's cost reductions led to decreasing product quality, followed by a higher number of returned products and damaged goods. IKEA's main plus point is low cost, derived from product standardization. However, standardized products attract fewer customer segments. Therefore, the business's inability to offer better quality, more customized products allows its competitors to fill that niche and fortify their position. The retail market grows every year, giving scope to the business of IKEA. The company currently operates in most developed economies but hasn't firmly stepped into developing economies. As a result, there are great opportunities for IKEA to expand into Brazil, Mexico, Indonesia, India and Malaysia to increase its presence in these markets to sustain future growth. Online sales of IKEA are constantly growing, and with 900+ million visitors to its website, IKEA could exploit this opportunity and benefit from increased sales and lower costs. IKEA is already successfully managing its food outlets and has an opportunity to expand its grocery business by introducing more grocery stores in its current retail places. So this expansion opportunity would be well aligned with the current operations. In the foreseeable future, increasing competition from other furniture retailers can take a heavy toll on IKEA's business. The marketplace is becoming increasingly crowded with similar companies, all of which have noticed what IKEA has done and are attempting to emulate their success by developing new products and services. Inflation lowers the purchasing power of money, thus having effects on the sale of IKEA's business. In addition, with the increase in costs, pricing would be affected, potentially leading to a company's market share loss. If people's average income grows, they will buy less low-price and standardized products, like IKEA's, and will turn to retailers that offer higher quality homeware products. This covers our IKEA case study by using SWOT analysis. Thank you for watching this video. For more case studies on other MNCs, stay tuned to our channel.